Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool under here, and basically what this is a cordless stick vacuum. You can see for the one that we got right here is from this brand, and for this one in particular, they call it V20, and right here is basically what the product looks like. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So when you guys do open up, this is basically what the inside looks like. Let's take everything out. So the first thing inside, they do provide guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. Next thing inside right here, they do provide guys a brush that also comes with a blade option for you to cut off any hair that's stuck on the product. Next up right here, they do provide guys another one of the brush if you guys need to replace it. So there's two different brushes available inside the package. One is for regular hardwood floor and one is for carpet. Next up right here, they do provide guys some screws that can use to mount the wall mount or something. Next up right here, they provide guys one of the tools that's in use for hard to reach places, maybe in between the cracks in your car or something. Next up right here, they do provide a stick that's in use for the product. When you guys feel material that's on here, it does feel super high quality. So this part right here is to unlock the other part, and this part right here is for you guys to extend it to make it longer. So let's do press on it. And you see how it does get pretty long. And once you guys press it again and push it in, it does lock it in place to make it shorter. So really cool how it does give you guys that option. Right underneath that, you see we do have a lot more stuff. So take it all out. So next up right here, they provide guys another one of these tools. So this one has this head, and it allows you guys to push it to use like that if you guys do need to. So it's basically like a 2-in-1 tool, which is pretty awesome. And for this side right here is where you guys want to insert in the product. Next up right here, they provide guys an extra filter if you guys need to change it. The other one should be inside the actual vacuum already. Next thing inside right here, they provide guys a charging station that can use to charge up the vacuum. So right here we got a cable, and right here is where you're gonna recharge the product, which I'll show you guys in a second. And swimming for the bottom part right here is where you can put on the accessory head if you guys do need to. And next up right here, they provide guys the bottom of the vacuum. So you see the way how they design it allow you guys to bring it up and bring it down and left and right. So that way you can reach almost anywhere you guys want. Top part right here, you see we do have the brand name. And right here in front, you see we do have the LED light. Front part right here, we do have the bumper. So that way when you guys do vacuum, if you guys bump it against the wall, it definitely has the protection on here. So this is what it looks like on top. If you guys turn on the other side, here's what it looks like on this side. So we do have the big roller wheels here, and two small ones on top. So that way it glides really smoothly when you guys do use it. And then right here we do have the brush option, and here we do have another brush. So like I mentioned, they do provide guys two different heads. This one is for the carpet and the other one is for hardwood floor. So the way how you guys change it is actually very easy and very simple. All you need to do is just push on this button and just pull it out. Once you guys take it out, you can put on the other one. So since we are using a hardwood floor, I want to put on this one. So we have to put it in and lock it back on. So that is basically what the product looks like if you guys were to replace it and use it for the hardwood floor option. So that is basically what the bottom part looks like. Another thing that I do want to mention is the fact that the way how it's designed right here, I don't think it has a self-standing option, but we will find out in a second when we do use it. And the last thing that's inside is basically the handle option and the vacuum option. So let's take it out. So you can see when you guys first get the product, it is separated. So you guys want to put it together. You guys want to make sure the bottom part locks in first and then push it together to lock it in place. Once you guys do put it together, this is basically what the product looks like. So on top part right here, we do have the brand name. This part right here is where you're going to insert the stick. Bottom part right here, we do have the dustbin. If you guys do open up, that is basically how you guys do open up and pour out the trash. If you guys do want to take this apart, you guys are pushing this button and it comes off really easily. And then if you guys want to take out the dustbin, all you need to do is twist it. And that is basically how you guys do take it out if you guys need to clean the filter or whatever. But once you guys are done, you guys can put it back together and lock it back in. And to put this back on right here, just like that. Very easy and very simple. And on top part right here, we do have the button for you to change the different speed level on here. So you can see how there is a turbo button. And assuming right here is the button for you to turn it on. So let's do press on it one time. And see how it does light up. If you guys press on again, that is how you guys turn it off. But if you guys press on this button, there's basically two different modes on here, low and turbo. And I'm assuming the light that I saw right here is the battery percentage. So if I see all three of them light up, then that means fully charged. But if I don't see one light that lights up, then that means a low battery. And then on the side right here, and also on our side, they do have the ventilation fan. So that way can help you guys prevent the product from overheating and also get out the clean air when you guys do the vacuum. And right here on the bottom, we do have the option for you to hang it on the wall if you guys do want to. And here is basically where you plug in the cable to recharge it, which is basically the charging base I showed you guys earlier. And when you guys look at the inside right here, there's multiple stages of filtering inside. In terms of HEPA filter, pre-filter, and etc., I believe there's around like 5 different stages. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Before you test it out, let me plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it. So all you need to do is put it in like this. And once you guys do plug it in, if you see the top part right here, it does show you guys that it's charging. So right now it's pretty low. So you do want to let it fully charge before I do use it. So that way you get the max power on here. And then for the top part right here, see we do have the button for you to push. So in order for us to take it out, you guys need to push on this button. And that will allow you guys to take it out really easily. So that is basically what this part is for, to lock it in place. And then for the back part right here is where you guys want to mount it on the wall if you guys do want to. Or you can just put this flat down on the table if you guys want to as well. But the way how to design it is for you guys to mount it on the wall, because once you guys do put on a stick, it will stick out. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to put accessories on here, feel free to do so. So just like that. So that way when you guys do mount it on the wall, it'll look something like this. But now let's put on each different part to show you guys what it looks like. So start with this one. If you guys put it in, that is basically what the product looks like. If you guys want to take it out, push on the button and pull it out. Same thing for other one. But now let's put this part on. So let's do stick it on and put this as well. Once you guys do put it on, this is what the product looks like. And if you guys do mount it on the wall, it'll look something like this. And if you guys try to turn it on, it will not turn on when you guys do have it plugged in. So you do need to unplug it first before you start using it. But now let's unplug it and turn it on to show you guys what the light looks like. And then we'll put this down on the ground to test it out. So let's do unlock it. Take it out. If you guys do turn it on, you can see the light is bright, but it's not like super bright since there's only like 2 LED light on there. So that is basically what the light option looks like. Now let's put this down on the ground to show you guys what the product looks like when you guys do use it. Alright, so right here we do have the product. If you see how when you guys do put it on the ground, it is pretty low. So if you guys want to extend it, let's make it longer. So once you guys do extend it, you can see it does go pretty far. So really cool, it does give you guys the option to extend it to make it longer or shorter based on your own preference. And when you guys do turn it on, if you see the light that's on here is strong, but it's not like super strong. And when you guys do use it, really cool how it does go pretty low and actually allow you guys to turn left and right, which is pretty cool to give you guys a good amount of coverage on here and make it a lot easier for you guys to vacuum stuff. And then when you guys turn it on, let me show you guys what it sounds like on low versus high. So this would be low. And then this would be on turbo. If as in here, when you guys turn on turbo, it is pretty loud. So that means it's much more powerful. If you guys try to stand it up, it won't stand up because the way how I designed it doesn't have a self-standing option. But now let's test it out to see how well it works. Alright, so just by using it just now, it definitely feels pretty nice when you guys do use it. Because of the wheels that's on here, it definitely glides really smoothly. In terms of suction power on here, like I mentioned, it's pretty powerful. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality cordless stick vacuum that give you guys everything that I mentioned on here. And if you guys don't mind the fact that how it doesn't have a self-standing option on here, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.